How to use Morelogin for Remotasks 2024. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about Morelogin and how you can use this anti-detect browser and CloudFront multi-account user for Remotasks in the case you want to make money without banning your Remotask account. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to morelogin.com and click on Start for free. Now, once you click on start for free, it's going to download some stuff for you, and you can also go ahead and sign up for free direct from this section if you want to. So, what we're going to do from here on out is we're going to come here and we're going to go ahead and write temp mail. All right. Now, once we come here and write temp mail, what's going to happen from here is we're going to simply add in the email that we want to use, or you can simply go with your Gmail, whatever you want. It's dependent on you. So I'm going to add in my email over here. Then we are going to set up a strong, decent password for ourselves. Okay. So once we have done that, you're going to be entering your invitation code. Okay. So to get an invitation code, obviously, you're going to want to make sure that this email is already signed up. Okay, and it's registered. And once your account has been created, you are going to need to make sure that you have Morelogin downloaded on your PC. So once it's downloaded, let me show you what you need to do further on from here. Now, once this has loaded for you, what you're going to do over here is basically, first of all, you're going to go over to proxies and you're going to click on add proxies. So we're going to go with individual proxies over here. You can add an individual proxy server for yourself to whatever you want. Now, in our case, what we're going to do is we're going to add the Remotask proxy if you know that. But in the case you don't know that, you can check it out from their authorizers on the internet. But generally, what you do is you create a new profile for yourself. So we're going to be choosing Chrome, Windows, profile number created, end-to-end encryption. If you want it, you can create it. I'm simply going to go ahead and click on confirm. Now, once this is done, you're going to go into the account section. Okay. And in the account section, you're going to go ahead to edit. You're going to click on add an account. All right. So when it comes to add an account, what you're going to do is you're basically either going to choose an account for the proxy that you're going with, or you can go ahead and add an account for Remotask. All right. So in this case, that is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be adding a Remotask URL. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on customize platforms. And right here, what you're going to do is you're going to be adding www.remotasks.com. All right. So once we have done that for ourselves, what you're going to do from here is just save it all, click on confirm, and that basically confirms Remotask in your profile of Morelogin. And that is pretty much about it. So thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.